The finished basketball must rebound within NBA standards.
Bounce height determines pass or rejection.
Every ball must behave identically.
Each basketball passes dozens of precision steps. Stitching defines the ball's structure. The basketball gains its final form, stitch by stitch. A basketball is built in layers. Precision assembly restores the sphere. Grip texture is pressed into the leather. Each panel is cut specifically for basketball assembly. Inflation reveals the ball's geometry. Branding certifies the basketball.
Bladder rubber is mixed under extreme force.
Rubber sheets prepare bladder blanks. Each blank becomes part of a bladder. Air valves are molded precisely. Heat bonds the bladder permanently.
Only airtight bladders move forward.
Thread provides internal strength. Binding builds the ball's backbone. Cross-winding locks the shape. Thousands of meters reinforce one ball. Tension consistency is critical. Dozens of balls are reinforced at once.
Adhesive bonds leather to the core.
Dimensional checks prevent defects.
Leather quality defines ball feel.
Uniform thickness ensures balance.
Conditioning prepares leather for shaping.
Color penetration must be uniform.
Drying stabilizes the leather. Texture improves ball control.
Panels are cut with millimeter precision.
Each panel has a specific role.
Edges must meet seamlessly.
Edge finishing strengthens seams.
Hole spacing controls stitch accuracy. Moisture optimizes leather workability.
Panel placement begins assembly.
Alignment prevents distortion. Hand stitching defines quality.
Consistency confirms craftsmanship.
Assembly progresses methodically.
The final panel is the hardest.
The cover is complete.
Every stitch is inspected.
Final inflation perfects the shape.
Pressure must be exact.
Size tolerance is strictly enforced.
Weight validates internal balance.
True roundness is essential.
Balls must settle before testing.
Performance is verified.
Air retention ensures durability. Grip performance is measured. Durability testing simulates years of play. Water resistance protects performance.
Predictability defines professional quality.
Final branding completes certification.
The basketball is ready for the court.